Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ufoma Oboro. Just in case you are here for the first time, do well to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share. So right now we want to talk about this beautiful piece here, which is Scanfrost standing gas cooker. As you can see, it's amazing, it's beautiful. Though I've done other Scanfrost standing gas cooker before, but this is just a beauty. Like this, the shape and everything about it, the way the glass is just amazing. And this has a very thick glass, is totally different from the one I've seen. And why I like it so much is that it has this around it for protection as well, in case of minors that would come near it, just in case, so they don't get hurt easily. So right now let's talk about it. This one has three burners and one hot plate. This has two small burners and a medium burner right here. This we're going to show you how it works and which work for each. Now this burner right here, this knob right here rather, works for this one right here. This one is for the hot plate, and I'm going to show you how to operate this hot plate. Why this one? So we're going to start with this one just because we want to start with the knobs. So I'm going to come back later for this. This knob is for this right here. So if you want to turn it on, it's just for you to push in as usual and take to the left. This one you have to use either your ignition or your lighter. So I'm going to show you how to use your ignition and everything. When you want to turn on, this is how you just turn on. So this is how to just turn it on. And if you want to reduce the flame, you don't need to push in back up again because you've done it from the beginning. So you just take, the more you go down, the more the flame reduces. And there's an automatic stop here. And if you want to take it right back up, which means you're increasing the flame, so you keep increasing it till it gets to this place here. With me, that's the highest flame, and when you want to turn it off, just take it right back up. So this is just how it works. So right now I want to tell you about this. This is for the oven, which is going to be the last thing we will talk about. So I'm coming back to that. We'll have to finish the knobs first before coming over here. Now this in particular, this knob is for this burner. I've already told you how to operate the knobs, so you can use this one in following the rest of this. So this in particular is for this, and this is for this. So that's just how it works. This is for this and this is for this. You can know through this place here. So this shaded dot will indicate the position of the knob and the burner connected. So right now let's come back to this right here. There's a wire here, right here, that you plug to electricity. So this is how to just operate the knob. So now let's start with this in particular. This knob is for this hot plate right here. Now this is an electronic wire. If you want to put it on, make sure you have electricity intact. Then you plug this to electricity. You see the light comes up here. This will indicate that it is on. So right now, if you want to turn it on, it has from number 1 to 6, of which number 1 is the lowest and number 6 is the hottest. So it's usually hard sometimes, but this is quite easy compared to the other products that I've done before. So the more you keep going this way till it gets to 6 is the hottest. So this is just how it was. So if you want to turn it back off, you just go right back here this way and it turns off. Now let's go over to the oven. Okay, now this is the grill and oven section. This is the knob for it, and this is the oven right here. So the up part, of course, like we all know, is the grill section, and the bottom part, of course, is the oven section. So what you do right now, this is the grill section, and we have the ignition button and the bulb button. So you have to turn on your electricity first, plug it to electricity before both can work. If not, it's not going to work, and this light will indicate when it's on. So this is for you to put on the bulb. This is the indication here to put on the bulb, so you just turn it on. Then if you want to turn on the ignition, you press the ignition this way. Don't leave it, it will keep kicking till the light. While you operate the knob, it will keep kicking like this. Kick it, then take to the left. While kicking again, you see the light would come up just like that, and this is the highest and one is the lowest. So just like that, that's how to put on the ignition. If you want to go right back up, you can just go up here. I noticed something just now. When you get here, it will stop you automatically, which means you have to push in before taking up. Some are not like that, like the knobs for the burners, they are not like that. You just go straight right up, so which means you have to push in and go up here. And now for this grill, you don't have to push, you have to push in first, then go, and you use the ignition button like I said initially. So if you want to turn it off, just go right back up. So this is the grill and this is the oven. So this is just how the whole thing works. So thank you guys for watching and staying to the end of this video. Do well to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.